We're here. Say hi. We're off to do a food tour. So this is our first street food dish. Yum.
The big meat.
Yeah.
Wrapped by the basil leaf.
Yum. Looks good. We're on a street food tour. This is our first stop in District 1. These are the tops. Best friends forever and exercise. I thought you meant extra rice.
That's about right.
Hi, we're here with.
Yeah, I'm Ash, and here's Nuong.
My name is Banh.
So today, Nuong will show you how to eat this meal in a very Vietnamese style. Alright?
So this is the lettuce. You dip it in the water and spread it on rice paper. Cucumber, fruit,
Oh yes.
young banana. We call it purple leaf because it has a purple color.
Oh.
Fish stick,
It smells so good.
beans roll, meat chili, but here we call it a wedding cake.
Also basil. Vietnamese basil.
And then we put
The
this,
main dish.
the main dish.
The bolalo.
Balalo,
Yeah, that's
beef meat wrapped with the basil leaf here. And also we have this one. This is the beef meat but wrapped by the pork fat.
Ah.
so not really healthy, but all very delicious.
That's what we're here for.
We wrap it.
Look at that skill.
Rolling skills.
Every time I do this, it all breaks apart.
Oh wow.
It's not really beautiful.
Not really
But
good,
delicious.
but delicious. Better than you. So we dip it in the sauce. And it's dip in
Yum.
the sauce.
Oh.
And enjoy.
Okay. Alright, really good.
I'm gonna try and race. Who can make this the fastest?
I'm gonna lose.
And it has to look nice too, okay?
The best, most presentable.
And you have to have all the ingredients. Three, go. This one doesn't even close. There we go. Comment under who has the best. I reckon mine wins this one.
Look at mine. That fish leg is
I like how it's night already. What did you think of it?
Very good.
Good.
so good. My favorite is this one.
This one.
The bolalo.
The balalo. Yes.
I think this thing made my throat itchy.
So we might have to head to the chemist to get some Claritin.
Didn't bring my EpiPen.
But she still continues to eat. I'm glad she gets the warning there.
Our second destination in District 2, which is across from District 1. How beautiful.
My favorite.
What are we eating?
Balut.
We're gonna have Balut.
Vietnamese version.
This is the first time I'm going to eat this.
been trying to force you since we were in the Philippines, but now you're forced to do it here.
So here we are. This is the Vietnamese balut, and this is a fried balut. I'm scared. Kinder surprise.
It's a Kinder surprise. Enoi's gonna love this one.
I'll have you. Oh yes, please do.
Oh, yum.
Oh my god.
Like this.
It's my favorite. Oh, yum. Drink.
Okay, I'm gonna be fine. I'm gonna drink.
Oh, yum.
Cheers.
Yum.
Oh, it's like egg. Yeah.
Like egg, yeah.
If I don't see hair, I'm good.
Look at that, and the view we have. We'll just turn away because Enoi's being
Oh my god.
a wuss.
Oh my.
This is the longest experience of eating balut. Oh, there it is.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's my
I
favorite.
can't eat this.
That's my favorite.
Yeah. You should use this spoon.
Use a spoon.
Yeah, smaller than that.
My favorite is just to use your fingers. You go.
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Please don't be offended. I don't think I can eat this.
No. It's an offense to this country if you don't eat it, Noi.
Yeah, so
Sorry.
this one, this like enough. Now you can eat it.
No, you can eat it. That's enough. Now you eat it.
How?
The ice first.
Or you should
Oh my god.
use a
Dip it
bit
in the
Oh,
sauce.
so get a bit of the turmeric. Is it?
You recording this because this will never ever happen again. This is
I am.
one time only.
It's better when you don't know what's it at.
Yeah, mix from the pepper and salt.
Yeah, it's gonna be too salty now.
And
I'm scared.
It's duck egg.
This is the moment of
Oh my
your
gosh.
life.
It's...
Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's yummy. It's my favorite. Oh,
Oh my
look at that.
I'm sorry, vegetarians. Oh, there's hair.
No, that's
I
not hair.
can't eat
No,
that.
you can't. You got it.